based on what Vaughn and Nick have seen from the engine controller and from the vehicle this week, we think we'll be able to get everything done.
Yeah. How's the ESP?
Really good. Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, it allows you sort of like, what, 30 degrees of steering input before it really starts to kick in. I understand where the guys have started from and where they are now, and it's a big step change, but really I'm focusing on the Bosch systems, and they're bloody impressive.
What you forget is that we're on all-season tyres. We're not on studs, we're not on snow tyres. It's bloody impressive.